Learning to Nishmas Etta Ahuva Basakim Masachas Sanhedrin Perik Yud Mishna Daled. Anshe Nidachas Ein Lahem Chelik Olam Haba. Anshe Nidachas don't have a Chelik Olam Haba. Shenemer Yotzu Anoshim B'nei Belial Mikirbecha V'Yadichu Es Yesh Ve'iram, that they're called B'nei Belial, that they're not Oila B'tchias HaMesim. Zog the Mishnah Vayter Ve'ein Nerogim an Nidachas, the people in Nidachas don't get killed. Achiu Madichem Me Oise Ir. The people that are convincing them to do Avodah Zarah have to be from this city. As the Pasuk says, Yeshve Iram, and the Gemara says it can't be from the edge of the city, from the Safar either. Ume Oise Shevet, it has to be from that Shevet, because the Pasuk says, Mikir Becha. And the Gemara says from here, you see that you technically have an Oise Ir, and from two different Shvatim in that Ir, which is a Machlokes Amiram. The other man, the Omer, is Madche, the Mishnah, but Hakopanim for Nidachas, it has to be, the Madichim have to be from that city, we said, from that Shevet. The third Tanai is Va'ad Yudach Ruba. Most of the city has to get, it has to be serving Avodah Zarah. And the Gemara says, how's that possible to have a whole city in one day? So the Gemara says, Tu Pshatim, either they're Danim V'Sheiklin, Danim V'Sheiklin. So the first people that give Skila Taka as a Yachid, and then until it becomes a Raiv, and then it will turn into the halacha of Nidachas, or they're Marbala and Batei Dinam, and Taka, they're all going to get the halacha of Nidachas on one day. The fourth Tanai that the Mishnah says is Ad Sheyadichu Anoshim, the people that are convincing them to do Avodah Zarah have to be men. And the Gemara says at least two. But if it's Yidichu Noshim V'Ketanim, but if they're not men, they're women or children, Oy Shehudach Miuta, they're not a Raiv of the city, it's only a meat of the city. Oishe Madichem Chutzala, or it's not Me'oise Ir, Me'oise Hashevet. They're from outside the city. Hare'elu Ki Yechidim, then they get donned up like Yechidim that are Beskila. The Mishnah says Vaiter, also in the halacha of Nidachas, is Tzricha Shnei Edom V'Hasra L'chalecha V'Echad. When we say that Roiv is Hudach, you also need two Edom and Asra on each person. Rashi explains, because the Pasuk says, Leimer Nelcha V'Navda, is mashma that you have to say, the Mishnah ends off, because we're machmer on a yachid who does Avodah Zarah that he gets skila, so his money gets saved. But Anshe Nidachas, they only get sayif. Lefichach, we're machmer on their mammon, that their mammon gets destroyed. Mishnah Hey, Hake Sake, Hachameres Vagameles, Haiveres Mimakam Lamakam, Hare Elu Matzil and Oisei. The donkey drivers and the camel drivers that are passing by the city. The Gemara says that they stayed in the city for 30 days. So once they're in the city for 30 days, they're going to be mashlim the miyat into a raiv to be matzel the city. So if there was a miyat that did a raiv that did Avodah Zarah, and a miyat that didn't do Avodah Zarah, but you add with the chamar and the gemal, and now there's a raiv that didn't do Avodah Zarah, it's not going to be done like in She'er Nidachas. Rather, it's going to be beskila. So matzilin just means matzilin on the mammon. Zog the Mishnah Vaiter, Hacharei Moisev es kol asher bo mikan omru nechsei tzadikim shebesoicha oivden shebechutz Allah pleitin. There's a chilik between Nichsei Tzadikim and Nichsei Risham. Nichsei Tzadikim, we learn out, is dafka if their property was within the Nidachas, then it gets destroyed. But Nichsei Risham, even if their property is not in the Nidachas, but they're from the Nidachas, they get destroyed. The Gemara says, why? Amar Abshimim, Neima Amra Ter Nichsei Tzadikim Shebeseicha Yavdu, they're Tzadikim, why is their property getting ruined? Shimon says, "Mi garam lahem sheyaduru b'seicha." Who caused these tzaddikim to live in the city? Mimainam, their money. Lefichach, therefore, mimainam avad. We destroy their money.